Space exploration, is it a vital investment or just a massive waste of money? This is one of those questions that always gets people talking, and for good reason. So, if you're preparing for your IELTS exam, let's break down both sides and help you brainstorm some ideas for your writing task. Let me start with the argument that space exploration is a waste of money. Critics say that governments spend billions launching rockets and building space stations when that money could be used to solve problems right here on Earth. Think about it. Poverty, hunger, healthcare, education, all these areas desperately need more funding. Some people argue that the benefits of exploring other planets are just too uncertain and distant, while the problems on Earth are immediate and real. Why search for life on Mars when so many people struggle to survive on our own planet? Plus, the technology is incredibly expensive, and there's no guarantee that space missions will succeed. Some have ended in disaster, costing both lives and resources. But on the other hand, supporters of space exploration see things differently. They argue that exploring space has led to incredible scientific and technological advances. For example, satellites help us with weather forecasting, GPS navigation, and even disaster management. The research done for space missions has led to new materials, medical devices, and improvements in communication. Some also believe that investing in space inspires young people to study science and technology, which could benefit society in the long run. There's also the argument that space exploration could help humanity survive in the future. Earth might face threats like climate change, asteroid impacts, or overpopulation. If we develop technology to live on other planets, we might secure the future of our species. Supporters will say, yes, it's expensive, but the returns could be massive, even if we can't see all the benefits right now. So, where do I stand? Honestly, I think there's value in both arguments. It's true that we have urgent problems on Earth, and funding those should always be a priority. But I also see how space exploration can drive innovation and prepare us for future challenges. In your IELTS essay, try to present both sides clearly and explain your own view. Use specific examples and remember to focus on how you organize your ideas. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your IELTS preparation.